Hey everyone, so I'm sure by now you've seen these little games that you plug in and they play Space Invaders and whatnot. Really cool, I've seen a lot of reviews. I have not seen one of these torn down yet, so, and here comes the dog. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this apart and see what makes it tick. Got one screw here. Got our 3 AAA batteries. Actually, this is as far as any teardowns I've seen has actually gotten, so world exclusive here. So it's like we got 2 screws here, one here, one here. Let's actually scoot all this out of the way, so there we go. Come on, little screws, come out. There we go. All right. So it looks like there's a little bit of a lip here. Even though I want to see this apart, I don't want to tear it up. So let's see what it takes here. So there's no more screws there. Yeah, it looks like it probably just pops apart. A couple little, oh yeah, look at that. Sides come right apart. Sides come apart. There's got to be a little clasp up on the top here somewhere. Huh. Okay. Just took a little bit of pressure because there were some clips on the side there. And we are in. A couple of capacitors there, a bunch of passives, and some wires. So let's get this little circuit board out. And a piece of salad. Must be from the dog. It's odd. Salad is a very important part of the video game making process. Yeah, okay. So there's a little flex ribbon cable down at the corner at the back of it. Whoops. I'm doing this mirrored and backwards, so please forgive me. Right there, going to the display. So I gotta be careful not to tear that one off because the wires for the lights are there. So let's loosen that up so I'm not putting force on that thing. Come on, focus. Hello, there we go. There we go. And it looks like there's a couple little clips holding that in addition to the screw. So let's do this. Let's throw stuff around. There we go. There we are. That way we're not tearing this up while we are pulling this out. Let's see here, what do we got? All right, there's 1, 2. A couple little surface mount LEDs right there and there. Okay. Okay, we're back in focus. I'm gonna pause every time it focuses so you guys don't have to wait for that. And yeah, little chip on board blob there. Let me just say that little, there's a flat flex that is keeping it from moving. I don't have a whole lot of room here without possibly damaging the board, and I want to keep this in working order, so I'm going to just go ahead and probably not go too much deeper than this because we got a flat flex going down to, looks like the display driver, and a little kind of a stiff ribbon cable. It's the same material as this is, going down to the controls on the front there. So little chip on blob. It's like a little microcontroller. Here, let's get a close up of that. Here we go. Anybody want to go ahead and search that number? Not one to, there it goes. Okay. Okay, actually I'm going to go deeper into it because I'm curious. So wish me luck. So we got these 2 little guys here. Oh. When taking a screw out, it helps if you actually get the screwdriver on the screw. I find that works a whole lot better that way. And I am actually a little bit concerned about being able to get this back together, because I can feel there's some tension. Oh, you know, you go through the board like that in a little hole, and it makes it a whole lot easier. Well, come here, little screw. So we got a little display in there and a little trim ring that goes with it. I have a little spider friend. Come on, little guy. Go away. Come on. Go. Yeah. It's a daddy long leg, so I'm not going to kill him. Go on. Go on. Go under there. There you go. So I've got the little display out now. It was actually kind of a little bit of an accident. So the screws I took out, didn't actually have to take those out. So let's put those back in real quick. Oh, wow. Bigger daddy long legs has decided to show up and take my tools. Nope, nope, go away from me. Apparently it's spider day at my house. I didn't know that day was here. You can see the circuit board under there for the joystick. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus there. There it is. And you can see the circuit board for the joystick if I hold it just right there. That's all she wrote. Oh. Haha. Nope. Anybody see what I did wrong there? Yeah. Okay, so pulling it back apart. Promise the camera work will get better. Had to use my iPad for the camera because it's the only 4K camera I've got right now. My other one is, oh, how should we say, kashnookered? That'd be a mild way to put it. Let's see, all the screws are back in. So, again, we got snaps here. Oops, we got snaps here and here. And it looks like there's just a little bit of a connection there. My only complaint about these things is there is no volume control on the speakers. So the volume you get is what you got. I thought I had an extra screw. I have exactly the right amount. Apparently counting to 20 or 15 or however many screws. I'll look at it when I edit it. Is a little bit difficult for me. All right. Ladies and gents, moment of truth. Aha! Success. Look at that. See if it plays its little demo here. Yep. This probably means that the dog's going to come in here in just a second. Look at that. I didn't kill it. Yay. All right. Final screw. Wow. Okay. I'm not drunk. I don't drink. Just very tired right now. So there it is. And always remember, so you'll never forget.